Afternoon, everybody. Welcome to a my traders journal here. Another entry here on April 3rd, 2023, brand new month. And just want to do a daily recap here on a quick video on the US 30 and the progress of our myforex fund prop firm challenge. So to start off with, the day started on, if you remember, last Friday closed at a high, right? It was a bullish day, and then kept up a little bit in the morning at 9:30. Did not want to take any trades, right? Remember, the first 5-10 minutes, maybe even the first 30 minutes, we want to wait and see what the market does, right? And kind of stay away. That's our strategy. We don't want to get into the market maybe the first 15, 20, maybe even 30 minutes to see what our big banks, the big players does. Remember, it's also Monday. It's a short week. This week, Friday is Good Friday, so there's going to be a holiday for the stock market. So there's not going to be any forex or trades that's going to happen. So we only have a four-day week. So you're going to be very careful about how you place your trades, and you want to balance your risk accordingly. Only because by come Thursday, it's kind of like your Friday. So remember, on Thursday, Friday, right, we are extra careful on trading. We bring our lot sizes down, and we take less risk in the market as possible. So this week is a short week. So when you have weeks like that, you got to think ahead and make sure that you're taking extra precautions. One of the key things is today in the market, it's Monday. So what happens on Monday, and anyone who's been with us for a while knows that Mondays are our slow days, right? Not a lot of news. And you can see right here on investing.com, and if you go to Bloomberg, even it'll say that the SPY is struggling, doesn't know the direction. There were a few issues with oil that was going on, so you're going to be a little careful on that. The other thing that we check is to see if there's any major news that's happening um, today, right? But this has to happen before the market opens. And if you go into our live, um, what's happening? Okay, if you go to our live, we do have a live video of all this in YouTube as well, and you will notice that there are no major news. There was 1 and 8, so we wanted to wait until that was done and out, right? And we did, and it kind of continued to go up, right? We were waiting for retracement to see if it'll, kind of touch base and kind of go up again. Waiting for a little bit of retracement. We've taken about 6 trades today. Again, Monday, right? We're going to be taking a little bit of extra risk, right? Try to get a handle on the week, get some profits off. And as soon as it broke, we took a small trade right here on this candle, on this next candle. Was about $20 or $25 trade, and then waited for it to retrace, and then took a trade after about 4 or 5 candles here, and took a small profit. The same thing again, right? As it retraced, we were waiting to see if it'll break, and took another sell here as well for another nice $20-30. For the day, we are up, and if you remember last week, we closed at $912. Right now we are at 1,080 on the myforex fund account. So that means that we are up. Let me see, we are up $160 for the day. The last trade for the day was awesome. It was an awesome trade. Again, remember, if you follow the patterns that that we talk about, this is a strategy that I use, right? Even on my forex trading, and I can go into our investment chart, right? The 121 and the 9 EMA, right? It is the same thing. The moment it breaks down, right, we kind of take a trade and wait to see if it'll pump back up and then kind of break it again, right? So that's the same thing. Wait for that 15 minutes, 5-minute candles to see what it does. And this trade was the same way, right? Remember, 1, 2, third time is the charm. Kind of broke through that VWAP level, and the moment it did on this candle, we took a trade. Was waiting to see what it does. There was a few kind of aha moments right here, because a few times it kind of went up, down, right? And then finally, it shot back up. I think about a nice, I don't know, about 75 pips right there. But we were able to close that and gain about a nice $60 profit for the to end the day, and be done with it. So we had $160 on profit on our MyForex fund. If you remember, last Friday we closed at $912. We had $1,080 for the for the week. So I mean for the month so far. We do have about another 18 more days to go on the MyForex funds, right? You had to trade 30 days on the first time that we before we take any money out, and our target is about $2,000 to $3,000 a month, and we are well on our way to be achieving that target. Again, if you remember the reasoning, right, please remember one of the key things on the stock market or forex or even options is to have a good strategy, have patience, and have discipline, right? Know when to get out, right? For example, on this candle, when it broke out, we took a trade here, and our stop loss would be anything that goes above this view up. So if it has kind of gone down and then kind of gone up, the moment it breaks view up convincingly, like for example on this candle, right? See how you have two nice breakouts. Again, please understand these are not set in stone. Not every time that it breaks like that, clear breaks, it kind of goes up, right? Sometimes it kind of go down again, right? The market does what the market does. But if you have good stop losses in place and take places that you can take, more than likely, right? Even if you can do 70% of the time, right? The same thing that we've been trying to teach you guys today, you should be able to come out profitable. Right, so good discipline, right? That was the story behind, right? Came back up, right? Tested the VWAP, so that it's not really breaking. So took a trade on one of these candles and was able to nicely close 20, $30 right there. So $20, $30 here, right? $30 here, another $20 I think here, and a nice, 62, I think $80 right there. So and you will see our live account too, right? On the YouTube channel. If you go into it, you'll see our live trades that we take and how we do that as well. So um, just a quick recap. That was our trade for the day. Again, being it a Monday, we took like I even took a 5 lot size, right, on this one right here, to take the profits quickly and get out. So first thing Monday, right? Remember, we in the earlier week in the earlier times of the week, we take as much risk as possible. Again, we don't want to go anywhere above that 1 to 2, right? Maximum, maybe even 5 lots. You don't want to go anything above that, even when you have a 5 lot size. Remember, right? We went 5 lots, but if it has broken through this VWAP, which would have been about 20, 30 pips, I would have been out, right? Taking that loss and kind of, being out of the market. So making sure that you do not want to let your losses run wild. You want to take control and make sure that you're out of the market. If your theory doesn't pan out, don't fight the market, go with the market, right? Like on this, for example, on this candle right here, could have taken, but that is not our strategy. We wait for about 15-20 minutes, and plus at 8 a.m. this morning, that is 10 p.m. Eastern, we had news. So why would I be taking a trade when I have big news? No, I'm going to be staying out of the market. See what the news does. Right, went up, and I thought it was going to retrace from here. But again, I'm not making a theory. I'm going to wait for the market to show me, the big banks to show me what they're going to do. The big banks are saying they're going to be bearish. Hey, I'm going to run along with the big banks, right? And then take portions of their profits out and get out of the market. So that's the kind of theory that you want to have. Taking quick profits out, right? And also your stop losses, don't let them run. Taking your stop losses taking out your stop losses when they are your stop loss, when they are going against your trade. So I hope you guys learned some things from this, small videos and the recaps that I do. Do tune in, right? If you have some time in the morning, do tune in our live chat, live YouTube chats as well. I do like to trade on our live channel just to um, show you what I do on a daily basis. But this was our daily recap to kind of show what we did and how we handled the market today. Up $160. We have about 3 more days to go. But remember, maybe by Wednesday, we'll most likely be done with our trading, and then Thursday if we see a good opportunity, we're going to go into the market, but with very small lot sizes when it comes to Friday. So Monday we're going to take a lot of risk. Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe, right? We kind of shave it off a little bit, and then come Thursday, because it's a short week, we're going to shave that risk to a bare minimum, because we don't want to go into the weekend with a loss, right? Remember, it's all about emotions and controlling your emotions. Hope you guys get something out of this. I'll see you on another video. I hope you trade safe, and I'll speak to you soon.